Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna explain how we can record a screen with computer audio and or microphone on Mac OS. This is not a built-in feature, so you have to install a soft piece of software called iShowU Audio Capture. And if you are on Mojave and Catalina or above, you should go to the new link here. After you install it, you should be able to see it in your system. Go to Audio MIDI setup, and you will see this piece of software. This is the built-in software, and I want you create an aggregated device called Input Logic. Logitech is my USB headset with a speaker and a microphone. So I'm gonna set the USB Logic tag as my clock source, and I show you audio capture with the drift correction selected. Second, I'm gonna create a multi-output device with the same setup, Logitech as the master device, and I show you audio capture as with the drift correction selected. Okay, and then you can start recording. And when you start recording, you have to make sure that you select input logic right here, because I'm recording right now, so I cannot select here. So I did take a screenshot before I record this video. So you have to select input logic. If you select input logic tag, you will receive you will capture the audio both from the computer and from the microphone. That's my dialogue, our dialogue, right? And if you just want to record from the computer audio without capturing your own voice, you should select I show you audio capture. Okay, so this is kind of the how we're gonna do it. Let me do some demo. Actually, you already hear that, right? So I'm speaking, and the video is still playing. Okay, this is 雪花飘飘. Okay, I don't wanna record it too much because of the copyright.